Lamphang ka ying dorbar ka jala u Thomas A. Sangma, ula ong ba Shen unsa shim karay halor ka jingujor balabo na kalyang persya Kongres, bandawa mait kerteng na kajinglong MLA ki saungot kinong tauan, kibalalit ban penyaso siya ka National People's Party NPP. Ya kani ka jingujor la mudi daw Secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC uba Manuel Badwar, hapo ka rule Hinrio, jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, disqualification on ground of defection rules 1988 puli bat kapara 21A jong ka 10th schedule jong ka ritisan syar kari kakandais pa sanpo kani kalawan long hadin ba u MLA ka Milliam uba Ronnie V Lingdo ulami no naga Congress bat wengno ya kamukot duma bala mudui hapo kayeng Kashri Meghalaya High Court persya kilaingot ki MLA ki bakentob ya uba Celestine Lingdo umsning u Charles Marngar Mauhati bat u Gabriel Watlang Nongston. Uba Ronnie ulalit ban penyaso iladi siya ka NPP hakalay po trik naitung kat ba kilaingot kiwaypat kilalit penyaso haga kat kanday trik unaylar arajar pusaw. Nakalyang Lamphang ulaay ka jing itu ka jingwan penyaso jong kinikisaungot ki MLA siya ka NPP. Habag kali u Thomas ulaong badang Shen ulayok pediang ya ka jingmuduy kabak kanday po arsla na ka Kongres bat kumta kamlong kabasok ya u ba unsyuray no mardor. Ngalapha ru iya kari ka jingmuduy siya ka kinhuon kinangasayaan bakin ay jingmut bat kanang bakin bishar benya ya ka bat nakalyang jongaru ngadang bishar benya ya ka ulaong habakran siya kilap tay kubor haka pratrik nailur. U Lamphang ulakular ba Shen unsa shim ya karay da kababanjur baka jing bishar benya halor kani kalaban shim kattu kanipor Henry anam penslam shu. Habakali halor ka jingla ban mi ki jing hakalyang jong kaan Lamphang ulakdo ba way pa way ubriw udon ya kahok ban wat ya kahok hakaying kashari ulabanjor ru balada kino kino ki party kis ngobenyaw ya karay ka jong u kila ban let siya kalenti jong kaan.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think no, remember once more.
It's a 92-page thick petition, so I cannot just make a decision right away. So I am still studying it, and I have also referred to my legal for a legal advice. So they are also looking at it, and I am also studying it. I am also personally studying it, but it takes time.
So how long will be able to give you a
it should not be long. Very soon I will take my decision.
You are not afraid of taking this matter to courts?
I'm sorry?
If they take the matter to the court after you?
No. Every individual has their own right to seek justice in the court of law. That is not, I cannot say that they should not go for it. Everybody is welcome to, if they don't feel that it is not correct decision, they can always go to seek legal recourse.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.